So hey guys, and welcome back to Amphibious Go. And in today's episode, it's episode 3, as many of you know. And just a quick quote before the video: if you're new, like and subscribe, and make sure to check on the previous episodes as well. We're trying to aim for like 1K or 2K of subscribers, because I personally think that it's a kind of like it would be very glorious, and it would make my day really. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. That subscribe could maybe give you some reports. So what did I say? So what we're gonna do now is just going to Glitch, as many of you know. Let me just delete this. And so Glitch is this website where you can make any website, as if you're new, just saying. So I already made one before, and you can check that out by typing this .glitch.me. So I'll just put in the description if I can. So we were working on this website previously, and you've got your name title with all of it's just loading now. So you have everything like this. If you don't pause the you can pause the video and copy all of this down. So last time we looked at how to make a website, how to like start a website with the index, style. We were not using style yet. It just comes like this. We'll explain later on. So the assets is we uploaded a Brave asset of this browser, the logo for it, and uh, so we're going now to do the page 2 and page 3. So what we're gonna do here now, this is gonna be a short video, I'm sure. 1 minute. Sorry guys, I'm just checking how much time I have. Okay, that's fair enough. And sorry if the screen shakes, because that's a sort of major problem on my laptop. I don't know why. There'll be some interference. So what we're gonna do now is first copy what we made last time. We're going to do Control C, and for those of you on the MacBook, it's Command C. We're going to make a new, no, not a file. We're going to make a new website, so we're going to duplicate this. Yes, okay, we're going to duplicate it. And we're not going to we're going to change it a bit. We're going to rename it first to page2.html. Page2.html. Okay, so you've now got 2 HTML pages. So what we're going to do now, get rid of this, because that's what we did previously. So, you know what, just leave it. So what we're going to do now is edit it to the second page. So I'll write second page. If you want, rename it something else for your second page. Now we're leaving out this because it still needs to be there. And now we're going to do why Brave is so good for browsing privately. We're going to take that away, and we're going to do let's see, because it's page 2, we're going to do what makes Brave so good. Okay, we're going to leave this. Now we're going to change the image source to what, I don't know, whatever you want. So how we're going to do that for you new people, we're going to basically upload an image. So I've got to take an image. Person thinking, I don't know. We'll do person thinking. Okay, so it's going to come with images. This one seems decent. I'm going to save the image. We'll save it as person thinking. And we're going to save in the download section. So we'll come in the downloads, saving it. Now what we're going to do is upload it to the assets. So upload an asset, we click on the button. And now we go to where it's stored. So this is the person thinking file. So let me just open it. Now what we're gonna do once it's uploaded. Did I upload it? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, no, cancel. So now we're gonna upload this. So what you're gonna do is right click on this, left click on it, and you're gonna copy this URL. And sorry, there's a bit of disturbance. And basically now we're going to copy this URL over here. There's a button called copy, and if we go away from here and now go back to page 2, we're gonna now go to the image source over here and go and place the URL inside the apostrophe marks. I mean the speech marks. And so now it's gonna come something like this. And just a quick tip would be, this would be like very useful. So once you've done those edits every time, it's best that you format the file, or use this keyboard shortcut. So I'll press format the file and it's gonna format it. So now we're gonna we've now done this. You can change the height according from, I say 100 to 500. So I just put 300 because I'm fine with all the images being 300. And we're gonna just take this paragraph out, and we're gonna replace it with something else related to this. So I'll just type in something. Wait, oh, whoops. This does that sometimes. So gonna go back. So now we're gonna say whoops guys, sorry. It keeps on doing it, I don't know why. 1 minute guys. Screen dimmed. Pretty sure that, oh, okay, nothing. So now what we're gonna do is go to, let's continue this. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm just typing something random. So please do not blame me, and make sure to like that button and subscribe if you forgot. So you gotta be very precise on what you're writing in a website, because it won't work. Just with one single mistake, it won't work. Believe me, I will learn that lesson. So so we finished with that. Sorry guys. So now we're gonna format the file again. Yes, again. So now it's formatted. So now it should come with, if you go to show in a new window, your title will be your title .glitched So forget about this. You will be introduced to this later, I'm sure. So it's got this blue thing because of the default random. It randomly selects your color in here and CSS, but we can modify that way better. So you can modify that way more. So now if we click on home, click on home, the home page is this, and if we go on page 2, there should be coming like this.